In this section, derivation of in-center. That proof will discuss. That before statement you observe. What is the theorem that means? Let A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are the vertices of triangle ABC and AB equal to small c, BC equal to small a, AC equal to small b units, then in center I equal to A x1 plus B x2 plus C x3 by A plus B plus C, A y1 plus B y2 plus C y3 by A plus B plus C. It is the statement. Now, how to prove? There means, what is the meaning of in-center? In-center means the point of concurrency of angular bisectors. That's why by using angular bisector theorem, here A, B, C. How to form by in-center there means angular bisectors. Angular bisectors. This is denoted with the I. Here the point if you take D. Now how to prove this there means by using vertical angular bisector theorem. Angular bisector theorem. What you take there means AB by AC equal to BD by DC. It is the statement of vertical angular bisector theorem. Vertex A, when we do bifurcating by the opposite right segment, then the divide ratio will be equal. That means AB by AC equal to BD by DC. That equal to BC is line segment denoted with the small a units. Now AC denoted with the small b, AB denoted with the small c. So AB length how much? C by AC sense B. Take one box. Now indirectly what is the meaning there means BD by DC equals C by B. Here C, this will be B. BD DC. Already A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. You know the division formula. Point D you find out. How to find out there means C x3 section formula apply. C x3 plus B x2 by B plus C comma C y3 plus B y2 by B plus C. It is the point D. Now you want by the in-center I. This is the one vertex. Now we find out this vertex. This ratio if you want. That's why from C vertex onwards what you take there means, if you take C onwards, CA by CD equal to AI by ID. That equal to AC means B by CD as it is you write down. Now in this formula you find out AA will be B, but I don't know ID. I don't know. ID. That part will be CD. Now you find out CD length. You find out CD length. How to find out then means, if you take by BD by DC. BD by DC. How much? C by B. Now add plus 1 on both sides. Implies this meaning BD plus DC by DC equal to C plus B by B. Total here you observe it. BD plus DC, nothing but a BC. BC by DC equal to C plus B by B. BC length small a units. A by CD equal to B plus C by B. B plus C by B. A by CD equal to B plus C by B. Now from this one CD you find out. CD equal to AB by B plus C. Now the CD value substitute here. That meaning is AI by ID equal to AI, B as it is you write CD means AB by B plus C, that equal to B into B plus C by AB, BB cancel. So AI by ID equal to, how much will come there means B plus C by A. So this point AI means B plus C, ID means how much? A. Now we find out in center I equal to, if you find out B plus C side I am writing, this is the point I. Now you find out in center I with the ratio AI by ID equal to B plus C by A. That one how to understand there means, you want point I. A is x1 by 1. D point C x3 plus B x2 by B plus C, C by 3 plus B by 2 by B plus C. In the ratio B plus C is to A, how to write? Same section formula if you apply. A into x1 plus B plus C into B plus C get cancel. This value will be B x2 plus C x3 by A plus B plus C. Same way you find out y vertex also. B plus C A into y1 plus B plus C get cancel. B y2 plus C y3 by A plus B plus C. So in center formula will be A x1 plus B x2 plus C x3 by A plus B plus C, A y1 plus B y2 plus C y3 by A plus B plus C. This video if you like, share, subscribe and comment it. Thank you.